Hi, I'm Tran, the overtime lawyer. I'm going to talk to you about why you should not file your claim for unpaid overtime and unpaid minimum wage through the Texas Workforce Commission. The TWC, for short, has a process called a wage claim. You can file a wage claim under the Texas Payday Act to collect your last paycheck. However, some people have been filing along with a wage claim, claims for unpaid overtime and unpaid minimum wage. And TWC has tried to collect on those claims. Here's the problem. The TWC can only go back 180 days. That's basically 180 days. That's basically 6 months. The Texas Workforce Commission will only go back 6 months, basically 180 days, to recover your claim for unpaid wages and unpaid overtime and minimum wage if you ask for it or if you're unclear about it and allow them to do that. Well, overtime can be collected through the Fair Labor Standards Act up to 2 to 3 years. You can go back to 2 to 3 years back and collect unpaid overtime and unpaid minimum wage through the FLSA, also known as the Fair Labor Standards Act. So why would you give up 2 to 3 years of unpaid overtime and minimum wage for a 180-day window? The trade-off is the TWC will collect it for free, but they only go back 180 days. Whereas if you file a lawsuit, you can go back 2 to 3 years and collect 2 to 3 years worth of unpaid overtime and minimum wage. The plus side is also if you file a lawsuit, you can collect liquidated damages, which is double of whatever your unpaid overtime or unpaid minimum wage would be. So in summary, you get 2 to 3 years worth of unpaid overtime and minimum wage, or you get 180 days of wages. And so you decide.